Hey guys, Andrew here for Next Riff, and the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is finally available here in Malaysia. We had the opportunity to try out the phone for a brief period of time, and here is our quick impression of the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. First up, let's talk about the folding mechanism of the Z Fold 2. Compared to the original Galaxy Fold, the hinge feels a lot more robust with much better build quality. As I fold the phone and it locks into place, it doesn't feel like I will overexert pressure and accidentally break the display. That's really good because I do feel like that sometimes with the first Galaxy Fold. As for the screen itself, it has been upsized to a 7.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with a fast 120Hz refresh rate. So not only are you getting a very pleasant display to look at with deep blacks and vibrant colors, the high refresh rate also ensures that every single animation you see on the screen looks extra smooth. It's definitely a worthy upgrade for the successor to the original Fold. Close up the Z Fold 2 and you can see the new cover display for this device. Now that it covers almost the entire front of the phone, you got a lot more screen real estate to work with compared to the tiny screen of the Galaxy Fold. That being said, it's still a very tall and narrow display, so it does feel a little bit cumbersome to use. Whether or not this will be an issue, I can only answer that once I have the device in for review. If you are not a fan of Samsung's Exynos chips, you will be happy to know that the Z Fold 2 is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 Plus chipset, the latest processor from the chipmaker. It is undeniably the best processor that you can get in the Android space, so rest assured you will get excellent performance with this foldable smartphone. Of course, it's worth mentioning that it has 5G connectivity, but given that this is not widely available in Malaysia yet, it's just a nice bonus. Last but definitely not least is the triple camera system of the Z Fold 2. It is made out of a 12MP primary lens, a 12MP ultra-wide-angle sensor, and a 12MP telephoto camera. I tried out the camera for a brief period of time, but given that I did it in bright daylight, as expected, it performs very well. It has good dynamic range, fast autofocus performance, and overall, it's a pleasant phone to photograph with. Granted, this phone doesn't have Samsung's impressive 108MP camera system found in the Note 20 Ultra or the S20 Ultra, but it should still be able to offer very good camera performance. This is Samsung we're talking about, so you can expect to get above average camera performance out of the Z Fold 2. So, how much does the Galaxy Z Fold 2 cost here in Malaysia? Only a single variant is offered here, which comes with 256GB of storage and 12GB of RAM for a cool 7,999 ringgit. Basically, you will have to pay 8,000 ringgit for this foldable phone, which is expected given the premium positioning of this device. After all, even its predecessor retailed at 8,388 ringgit when it was first launched here. If you're keen to get your hands on the Z Fold 2, you can actually pre-order it from 11 September onwards. The device itself will start shipping on 25 September. So that is our quick look at the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. Click the link in the description box down below if you want to read the full hands-on on our site nextriff.com. Like this video if you like it, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and always stay tuned for more good stuff to come here in Next Riff.